Managing projects today feels less like planning and more like firefighting. Different teams want different tools. Everyone wants AI, and suddenly your workspace looks like a patchwork of docs, boards, mind maps, and notes spread across 5 apps. That's exactly why tools like ClickUp and Taskade are getting so much attention. Both promise AI-powered productivity, but in totally different ways. ClickUp is the world's first converged AI workspace where timelines, docs, dashboards, workflows, AI, and everything come together in one place. Taskade, on the other hand, is designed as a fast, lightweight workspace where notes, tasks, and mind maps move as quickly as your ideas. So in this video, we're comparing ClickUp versus Taskade across the areas that matter most to help you figure out which one actually fits the way your team works. If we start off with project management skills, the difference becomes clear very fast. ClickUp gives you depth and control. You get more than 15 different views, boards, lists, Gantt charts, timelines, and tables, plus sprint lists, milestones, workload planning, and built-in time tracking. You can even assign multiple owners, add custom fields, set dependencies, and generate reports. And there are plenty of templates for project management and automations if you want to set things up quickly. Taskade, on the other hand, keeps things simpler. It offers 6 main views: list, board, calendar, action, mind map, and org chart. You can simply assign your tasks, sort and prioritize, track time, and collaborate in real time. It's clean, fast, and great for smaller teams who don't need deep tracking or heavy workflows. But what if your priority is note-taking and documentation? Here too, both tools take very different approaches. ClickUp Docs works like a true knowledge base. You can create nested pages, embed media, pull data from tasks, and add / commands for customization. You can combine that with ClickUp Brain, the world's most complete work AI, to easily summarize or pull info from anywhere in your workspace. Now, if I have to compare all that with Taskade's document features, I feel they are lighter and more focused on instant teamwork. You can add files, write together, and use AI to format or generate ideas. It's built for fast collaboration, not long-form documentation or full wikis. So if documentation and knowledge management matter to you, ClickUp is the stronger choice here. Okay, that covers how both platforms handle structured work, but what about the messy, creative part of the process? Let's look at mind mapping and brainstorming. For brainstorming, ClickUp gives you 2 layers: mind maps and whiteboards. Mind maps help you visualize ideas, link tasks, and plan hierarchies. Whiteboards take it further, letting teams design workflows, map out big picture strategies, and collaborate in real time. Taskade, meanwhile, focuses on AI-powered mind maps. They're fast, visual, and dynamic, perfect for quick ideation. Its AI can even suggest nodes or generate a full map from your prompt. So for quick idea generation, Taskade works well. And for creativity and versatility, ClickUp has more range. Now, let's talk about their AI features. This is where the biggest difference between these 2 tools becomes obvious. Taskade AI is built right inside your workspace, helping you write, brainstorm, and organize your thoughts in seconds. You can automate routine tasks, summarize pages, and even create custom agents, all trained on your team's context. It's fast, creative, and keeps ideas flowing while you work. ClickUp, on the other hand, approaches AI very differently. Here, the first thing you meet is AI agents, hands-off, autopilot systems that don't just assist you, but actually do the work. They can update tasks, run workflows, surface blockers, remind you about deadlines, and move projects forward without you touching anything. And all of this, the agents and the context, is powered by ClickUp Brain, the core AI intelligence that connects your docs, tasks, dashboards, and knowledge into one system. Because ClickUp Brain understands your entire workspace. It behaves both like a writing assistant and more like a second project manager. It can answer questions about your projects, suggest next steps, turn conversations into tasks, and sync your work automatically. And with Enterprise Search, you can ask questions about anything in your workspace and get real contextual answers instantly. So while Taskade helps you think faster, ClickUp helps you work faster. It's the difference between a companion that helps you generate ideas and a workspace that actually executes them. And now, if you're thinking, which one's for me? Let me help you. Taskade is great for fast thinking, lightweight team spaces, and simple collaborative workflows. But if your team handles complex projects, needs structured workflows, and wants AI deeply integrated into execution, ClickUp is the stronger, more scalable choice. Sign up for free today at clickup.com and see the difference for yourself.